Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to hide app in your mobile phone. So friends, first we need to press on app menu. Now here we will find all our apps. So now if we want to hide our apps, we need to press on these three dots and here we will find option of hide apps. Press on this option. Now we can select the apps which we want to hide from our app menu. For example, I want to hide WhatsApp and Twitter. Now I have selected two apps and press on done. Now as you can see, the icon of WhatsApp and Twitter is now not visible on my app menu. Now after hiding the app, you need to delete shortcut from the home screen. Now this is my home screen and I need to delete this WhatsApp shortcut from here also. Now I have removed shortcut of WhatsApp from my home screen and WhatsApp is not available on my app menu. So now if you want to unhide your apps, you just need to press on this three dot and here press on show hidden apps. Now here you will find all your hidden apps. If you want to unhide any of your app, then select that app and press on done. Now friends, as you can see, WhatsApp is available on my app menu. So friends, like this you can hide your apps from your mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.